Hi everybody, it's Miss Kate and Miss Hazel here with another lesson for you. This is a really fun one that Miss Kate found for us to do. Okay, we're going to actually make a little room today out of a paper. And you guys are so good with your hands and you have such wonderful ideas. I just can imagine what you're going to do with this. So here it is. Look, it's like a paper that we fold. It's got a bed, there's a little carpet, there's a window, there's a dresser. Miss Kate's going to show us how to do it.
Okay, so first you just need a piece of paper, a plain piece of paper, a glue stick, some scissors, and then some crayons or markers or whatever you can use to color.
Okay.
So the first thing we need to do is get to have a square. And if you have made a square before, you know that you can, or if you haven't made one before, you can fold your piece of paper like this. And you're going to cut off this edge. So we have one where I drew the line so you could see what we're going to do. We're going to save that scrap to make the furniture. But I'm going to now cut across the line. Put this piece aside for later. And then we're going to open this up. You can tell it's a scrap one. So now we need to have the lines to make the square room. So I'm going to fold it this way, make a nice crease along the bottom. I'm going to open it back up and make a nice crease going this way. Now Miss Hazel drew some lines so we could see, we already cut that one too. Here's one that has the lines. So this would be your folded lines. You don't need to draw the lines, but this is what it looks like. And then you're going to cut across just one of these lines. So I'm going to show you that on the one without drawings. So I opened it back up. You can see there's a crease here and a crease here. I'm going to choose to cut across this crease right here, just up to the center.
Right to the middle, just to the middle.
And then you have this.
Okay.
I'm going to show you this way.
This is the really magical part that comes next.
Now we're going to fold it over like this. And now you have your room.
Isn't that cool?
So in order to keep it as a room, I'm going to...
maybe open the whole thing back up?
Actually, yeah, I'm going to open it up. We're going to draw. So we now know this is your floor. And these are the two walls that you have. When I made this one, I made it first and then I colored. But I'm going to tell you, I think it's easier to color first. So we're going to look at our floor. Let's say we had a hardwood floor. So now I'm going to find a brown crayon.
Many crayons. Okay.
So here's a brown crayon.
Okay.
I'm going to put another piece of paper on so I don't color the table. I'm just going to color this square.
That's your floor. Oh. Nice.
This is now a hardwood floor, and maybe you want to add a little rug to it. So you could take that scrap that you had from where you cut a piece off. Maybe you want it to be an oval or a round square. So I'm going to cut it. It's not going to be a perfect shape.
Remember, with art, it doesn't have to be perfect.
I'm cutting that, good. And that's going to be my carpet. So now I'm going to color in my carpet. In this case, my carpet is going to be blue. Oops, and you know, that's why I have paper underneath so I don't draw all over the table. I'm going to add a little bit of orange to it to give it some more interest.
Ooh, a fancy carpet.
Sometimes those carpets, you know, when you wake up and if you have hardwood floors or tile floors, it's nice to wake up and step onto something soft and warm.
Okay, you're going to glue it on first,
I'm going to glue it on right now.
Okay.
So, just so I don't forget that I have it. So now I'm going to glue it on to, you know, about the center of my floor.
Okay.
Now I can decide what color walls I want. In this house, I am going to have yellow walls. So I take my yellow crayon.
I have yellow walls in my house.
It's very bright and happy.
Okay.
I'm coloring my walls.
Nice coloring, Miss Kate.
Thanks. It is much easier to do it this way than the way I first did it. Now I'm going to tell you that we got this idea. We had a meeting, a Zoom meeting with Rebecca Stees, who has Art Yowza, and she showed this to us on her website, and we thought, oh, this is a fun one to do. I don't know where she got the idea, if she made it up or she got it from someone else, but it's a super fun idea. So you can just design your own room. Okay, now here comes the fun part. Now I'm going to glue on the plain piece just a little bit of glue stick so that my floor will stick. I'm going to push this up like this and over.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
And now
Oh, I love that.
I'm also going to do a little bit more creasing along here to make sure my walls stay up and don't fall over, because you don't want your house to fall over. And now here's the beginning of my room.
So good.
So
Very
now
nice.
we're going to think about furniture. In my bedroom, I have a bed.
That's a good thing to have in your bedroom.
Yes, it's nice to be able to sleep on something.
Yes.
So I'm going to take that scrap again, and I'm cutting a rectangle. Maybe I want a headboard, so I'm going to fold it up like this. So when I glue it in, it'll have a nice headboard. And of course, you have to have something to hold your bed up from the floor. So I'm cutting that down, folding it down for legs, up for my headboard. I'm only going to glue the headboard onto the wall. I'm not going to worry so much about the legs. So now, what sort of comforter or blanket will I have?
Oh, flowers. Put some flowers.
Flowers.
On your bed.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
going to have a flowery one because that's what Miss Hazel would like. So I'll do some dots here. And then I will make very happy ones. It'll remind me of the Brady Bunch and their, actually it was their wallpaper, I think, that had flowers all over it. But
Okay.
and then I'm going to do the background, this kind of
It's blue. Nice.
turquoisey blue.
Ooh, I would like that on my bed. It's very nice.
I'm very happy.
Yes, happy.
Now my headboard, in this case, is going to be made out of wood. So I need to find my brown again. That I threw back in here.
Is this brown?
Sure, no, that's black. Here's a brown. Okay, so now I'm going to color this brown because I'm choosing to have a wood headboard. A headboard is that piece that goes up behind your bed so that your pillows don't fall behind.
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm just going to put a little bit of glue stick onto the headboard, figure out where the floor is, and I'm going to glue my bed
that's so
right
good.
in there. So now I have a place to sleep. What about, where would I put my clothes? So I'm going to take my scrap again, and I'm going to make a dresser for myself. And my
Also-
dresser, again, is brown.
Also, friends, if you're watching this video and you need to stop it to go back and look at how Miss Kate did something, or hold it while you do that part, like start it, get your square made, color your house while you color while you wait. So you can stop the video when you're watching it too.
Anytime you want.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to,
All right, Miss Kate's making a dresser.
so I wanted to have drawers, so I drew some different brown colors there.
And what other kind of things would you put in your bedroom? You could put art up on your wall. You could have a window. You could put your cat on the bed. There's your dresser. So now
Yeah,
Miss
you could
Kate
cut
has
little
a
stuffy.
place.
To put my clothes.
Nice.
Maybe you want to make a chair, or maybe you want to, I don't know, what do we want to do next?
I don't know.
We're going
Well,
to have a
this
little
one has
window.
a window. This
Yes.
one has a window.
We'll have a small window in this one because
Oh.
I just had a small scrap.
I just
and
got
then-
a crazy idea. And then if you wanted to, you could sort of make a house. You've got, there's Miss Kate's bedroom is next to my bedroom. So when I come to visit, or maybe it's the guest room. Oh, I love
Or your
that. And then you
siblings'
could
room.
make like a whole house. Oh my gosh, we just thought of a new idea. Love that. You could make a living room. You could make your kitchen. Wonderful. All right, Miss
Okay,
Kate,
so
what you
now
got
here's
there?
my window.
Okay, Miss
I'm going to
Kate's
show
new
it to you
window.
in one sec.
Okay.
Here's my window.
Okay.
It has a little tree in it because the
nice.
tree grows outside of my
That's
window.
So good. Oh yeah.
I can
that's
see
good.
it every day.
All
I'm going
right.
to get that on there. So there's my window.
All right.
And then, I don't know what we're going to add next. We'll add one more thing.
Okay.
We'll add a poster
Ooh. What's your
of,
poster gonna be?
I
Miss
don't
Kate?
know. Does anyone have posters up on their walls for a piece
Maybe
of
a
art?
cat. A cat that says hang in there because we're stuck inside our houses right
I don't
now.
know if I can make a cat this. I don't know if there's enough room for hang in there, but I will try to write hang in
How
there
about
and
just
draw
a
a cat. Well, now I'm determined to write hang in there.
Okay. Okay. All right, Miss Kate's making a poster for her room.
Okay, now I'm gonna have a little blue
She didn't
kitty.
leave much room for a cat.
No, I didn't. I'm having a little trouble with my crayons here too.
There we go. Meow. So good, Miss Kate. Very
Okay.
nice. Okay, get your. Where's your
So
poster
now
going? In your room
my poster's gonna go into my
or
room.
my room?
Oh, I need to hang in there all the time. So I'm gonna put it right above my bed.
Nice.
When I was little, I had a lot of posters on my room, in my room.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the beginning. You're right, Miss Hazel, we could make a house. So we have 2 bedrooms right here that eventually could be glued together, and then 2 more on this side. A kitchen, a living room, a
You could do that.
playroom. You could put all your toys in there if you wanted to. Make a bunch of
So good.
stuffies to put
So
in. What else could we do? I don't know. A sunroom, a pool. Maybe you always wanted to have a pool.
Oh my gosh, a swimming room.
So you could do whatever you want to do because
good,
it's your
good.
own made up house.
All right. Well, so
Okay.
we're going to do this. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, we're going to see you guys tomorrow or soon.
Yes. All right. Bye, everybody. We'll see you soon.
Bye
Okay.
from Miss Kate. Bye from Miss Hazel. All right,
All
you
right. Bye,
guys.
everybody. So fun to see
Bye.
you.